Y'all alone know some me think tough. What you mean by feel like him tough? But him and lad that thought they want fix up. People we kill with no blood clan mix up.
Yes, my viewer subscribers, your boy Stola, we say welcome to Real Talk. Viewer subscriber within 30 hours, Jamil answer Chronicle and dog, me I tell you the intro. Just the intro, it's off the chain, it's off the chain, mates.
9X what him shit got. Him have to wait pan boss fi get instruct. Try squeeze through fence but him stuck. When the killers them a Granville link up.
Viewer subscriber, Jamil go hard. Jamil say, yo, fat boy over there, so where your belly big and stink like a shit. When the 9X catch you, we are gonna rip out that belly there. The dog say, hear me no know where you go with them the fish talking. They only girl alone know out with things stuff. The dog say, hear me now, we not have to wait for boss fi tell we fi move and we move. Viewer subscriber, when me tell us say Jamil wicked, me tell you no say Jamil wicked and you can't play with the dog, meds.
Akeem Campbell, your fucking life, you go gamble. Great than a dope in me, cause you go be my next example. Trample face under my ankle, eagle mouth that a triangle. Bossy med, kill the egg, Humpty Dumpty scramble.
Viewer subscriber, Jamil say when Humpty Dumpty jump off of the wall, him gamble with him life. And through him gamble with him life, him have got set an example. Me tell you no say all the king asses and all the king man couldn't put back Humpty Dumpty together. So Jamila make you know say you see right now, we are going to set an example. We are going to scramble the egg. Bad. Meds.
Try fi run him lace, get tangled, head get bust him, girl get strangled. Live in with soldier man, no tell me where you and your man do. No find no excuse, bomber all the time is ample. Big 9-9, hillside full up a jungle.
Viewer subscriber, Jamil says some things in this way we never know what go on with Chronicler. And we hear Chronicler talk about Jamil live with Soldier Man. Jamila make you know say your boy live in with Soldier Man. Don't tell me where you and your man do. Cause you see when we catch you and you are run, don't come tell we nothing. Cause here we are gonna full up your 9-nighter kangaroo. Dog, me I tell us say yo, every moment thing Jamila answer. Jamila answer everything where Chronicler say. And the dog I go even harder. Chronicler me say you have to come tough if that stay out of the war. Meds.
The rifle sound like me, you play piano. And we gonna knock it like a nail with a ma. We full of gun, we full of baby piranha. Tell crap that him late come a been a fucking baby mother. Yo, killing me with this. Tell crap that him late come a been a fucking baby mother. You know him them say a lyricist. When all me hear I like this and like that, be a similes. Tell himself him a the sickest thing. I must say blood class syphilis.
Viewer subscriber, me tell you no from the war between Alkaline and the Six, that the Six them always attack like this and like that. And me know in a too much of the like. But here and now, Jamil say, tell Crabdan. Viewer subscriber, me have a laugh. The dog say, hear me. No Shabdan, you know, the dog say, yo, tell Crabdan. Say him late. Because I'm me. I dig out him girl. And hear the word play when me love where Jamil Japia. So crab. Where crab live? In a hole. So Jamila make you know say yo, I'm me in a for him girl hole. And me a dig out for him girl hole. So tell the crab say for run way. Him late.
We ready fi make dopey. Make killer get you fat fuck down a Kentucky. Coulda wish pan a star, you no get lucky. Wheel and papa have left them men smoky.
Viewer subscriber, you know what me love with Jamil Jr.? Me just love to know say you a get bars up and bars and everything the man a answer. You see me dog, me tell you know that already, say everything where Chronicler say, Jamila answer it. And a them the kind of way that me love to know clash there. A them the kind of thing that me love to know say yo, when a man a respond to a man a give you back everything what you say. A man a make you know everything. And dog, when me tell us that Jamil got the full 100, yeah, so the dog got the full 100. Meds.
Rotten bone them a mention. Come a war and a boast about dead man. Chip clock with the extension. Patriot so we make boy head bang. Broad here, we gon' murder your bare face. Can't hype on me, dog, me know about your rape case. Kill him and bury that same place.
Viewer, subscriber, the clash just turn up. The clash get wicked. The clash gone hard. I'm love it. Dance all nice again. But me always say, you see, if you no have things for hide, don't come a war. Jamil say you talk about bone and dead body. Dog, we know about your rape case. We know what go on with you. So don't come and tell we say you reply just for the fans. We not join that. A patriot we name. Meds.
Catch him inside where the frog a try stay safe. Look we try, panic lion on the brain. You know see when numbers them are not the same. Me never die, ever dep on a plane. Just tell the people you're not able to kill me like Cain.
What the actual fuck did you just say to me right now?
Not able to kill me like Cain. Never know me have to kill one of my fans them. Humpty Dumpty know all of my songs them. Chip Glock solve all of my problems. From the day my bus tag, me no stop spend.
Viewer, subscriber, things gone wicked right now. It gone wicked. Oh, no, remember the clash between Alkaline and the Six? Alkaline tell us that Squash and Chronicler used to rob handbag. Now Jamil run out and Jamil say, hear me Humpty Dumpty. First of all, you know all of me sang them. So you can't put me and you in at the same place. But here and now, Bullfrog, the rape case, tell the people them about that. And me I go use allegedly on my side because me no know that what Jamil say. So me I go say, you are allegedly Chronicler have a rape thing. Viewer, subscriber, Jamil go back and say, yo, tell them about the fans that you kill. Me I go use the word again, allegedly on my side because me no know. But when Chronicler has said, him a kill people and put them in a shallow grave and a stink up a place. And that Jamila make you know, tell them about Cain. Viewer, subscriber, me I tell us that the thing get wicked. And that's why me use by my side allegedly. Cause me don't know that what the dog say. Me I repeat, Meds.
Youngsters not join nothing with Batty. I know you this way you cuddle with Bashi. Him a fish can study him daddy. My beef for badness, nothing with Patty.
Viewer, subscriber, big woman thing me a talk. Quarter other song ya answer everything where Chronicler say and even more. But Jamil decide him don't want stop this so. Jamil decides he a burial. So him a put him down flat. The dog say, hear me, jaw boss. We no deal with batty thing round here, so. We no deal with the fish thing. So you know your boy we cuddle up, where you cuddle up with. No man, the fish boy. The one we study him daddy. Deal with him with your fish thing and don't come round here so with your fish thing, dog. Bad man don't deal with them kind of thing. Bad man don't run up in a batty thing, dog. Viewer, subscriber, you hear me and tell us that Jamila kill the man wicked, dog. Meds.
Chabas, tough chatterada. Coulda tell you suck back your mother. But me no join the bag of talking. Me you go make my daddy fuck back your mother. Pussy.
Viewer, subscriber, me have a prediction. And the prediction where me have, Squash a go run in other warrior. And the reason why me say that, because Jamil got too hard pan Chronicler pan a one year. And me I tell you, only Squash a 2 man have to run in a it. You see me? But here, the dog said, Jabas. Boy, me have a laugh when Jamil come with them name. Big woman thing. Here, the man said, Jabas. Me could have tell you if you go run up underneath your mama. But me no in a them the kind of talking. Me no join them the kind of talking. They idiot talking them there. So here what me I go do. Me I go make my daddy go around there, go walk her out. Me I go make my daddy go around there, go squeeze out everything. Me I go make my daddy go around there and jill out everything. Fam, the dog gone wicked. Mate.
We ready fi make dopey. Make it like a chief fat fuck down a Kentucky. Coulda wish pan a star, you no get lucky. Wheel and Papa have left them in smoke.
viewer subscriber. Jamil say yo fat boy bullfrog. I know nothing fi catch you down a Kentucky and squeeze two pan uno. We no care if it full of people. We no care who down there. We turn it all a uno in a dopey. Viewer subscriber, when me say the farmer go hard, him a go hard. Viewer subscriber, more no tell me when you think in the comment section about that one. Yeah. Tell me when you think about the clash so far. But right now, me give round one to Jamil. Although Chronicler one did wicked, but me give the round to Jamil. So more no tell me in the comment section where you no think. But right now, viewer subscriber, me say your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more, no dog. We out. On.
Pussy. Alright, thing in the song, hear that? Cause we ever relevant. I see back a fuckery on him. That I give you belly cramp. Bumbuckler, the whole Jews, you know what I think of? Rivoli, Jungles, Spaintown, Portmore, Red Hills Road, Our Ground, hear that? Southborough, Patriots.